everybody, Tom Messner here with Vermont Startup News, where we have these stories. Benchmark Space Systems lands a nice contract. Brightwater Tools is on a roll. The Vermont Gallium-Nitride Tech Hub secures millions and more. We start with this. Benchmark Space Systems has landed a $3 million contract from SpaceWorks, the innovation arm of the U.S. Space Force. The funding comes through the SBIR Direct to Phase 2 program and supports development of Benchmark's High Energy Logistics Stage, or HELS, H-E-L-S. The Advanced Propulsion System is designed to quickly move spacecraft to higher orbits, an emerging priority for national defense. Chief Technology Officer Ryan McDevitt says HELS will provide rapid orbital transfers for small satellites, strengthening the U.S. military's capabilities in space. Brightwater Tools is the Vermont company that develops systems for converting building wastewater into fertilizer and clean water. Using cutting-edge technology, they separate and treat wastewater, creating a nutrient-rich concentrate that can be used as a safe natural fertilizer and reusable, non-potable water. The company has been on a roll lately. Brightwater Tools, along with their partners UGrow Brand and the Rich Earth Institute, have the go-ahead to distribute and sell their fertilizer in Massachusetts. They've also submitted registration applications in Vermont and New Hampshire, and they are pending at this point. Contact Brightwater Tools to learn more about this and their upcoming Series A raise. The Vermont Gallium-Nitride Tech Hub has secured $3.4 million from the Northeast Microelectronics Coalition to build a cutting-edge testing lab. It'll be the nation's first publicly accessible facility offering advanced testing and expert support for high-power and high-frequency semiconductor devices. The new vegan test and characterization lab will serve businesses and researchers developing technologies like motor controllers, power inverters, 5G and 6G devices, and radar systems. Led by UVM with partners including Global Foundries and the state of Vermont, the Tech Hub now has some 60 members and partners. 3 Vermont companies are teaming up to showcase the future of manufacturing. Rigorous Technology, OnLogic, and Massive Dimension will host a mini trade show featuring live demonstrations of the latest technology. It happens at Rigorous in Williston on August 14th at 3 p.m. You'll see automation systems, industrial computing, robotics, and 3D printing in action, all highlighting how these innovations are transforming today's workplace. The event is designed to provide practical takeaways and invaluable local connections. To learn more, visit rigorous.co. And Vermont entrepreneurs now have a new tool to help grow their businesses. The Vermont Venture Network has released a Vermont Business Accelerators Reference Map. It's a resource highlighting 9 accelerators across the state, complete with contact information. The map also features more than a dozen additional programs and services that could provide critical support for startups and growing businesses. To see the map, go to vermontventurenetwork.org. All right, that's it for Vermont Startup News. If you have startup news you'd like everyone to know about, contact us at vermontstartupnews@gmail.com, or you can find me at LinkedIn. Vermont Startup News is a proud partner of Hula, where their next story session on August 14th will feature the story of Yalo, the first social ride network built by and for Gen Z. Go to Hula's website for more information. Meanwhile, I'll see you soon.